Hi and welcome to another awesome tutorial, and today we'll be learning how to build beautiful and content-rich blog pages for your Shopify store. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you're on the Page Builder admin portal. And then once you're on this page, go ahead and click on blog post pages. So as soon as you click on blog post pages, you're going to be given 4 different blog post templates. Select the one you like. I'm going to click on blog post number 4. And as soon as you click on it, it will take me to the template settings. So now we can customize our blog before we publish it on the store. So from the settings tab, let's go ahead and put the status to published. Next, let's also change the blog post name and title. I'll type in a random name for the tutorial. Top bag picks. Post title, top bag picks 2021. Perfect. Now let's head over to the content tab. Go ahead and use the inbuilt design blocks to customize your blog content. So for example, let's click on image. Go ahead and change the image size by dragging this handle back and forth. You can also change the image and choose your own image. Let's go back and choose a different design block. Let's add a form at the bottom of our blog page. So we want a form at the bottom of our blog page. Go all the way down to the bottom of our design blocks and choose form. Let's change the heading. Subscribe to our newsletter today. Let's go back and add another section. Let's add social links. And there you go. We have social links. Alright, let's add something else. Let's do something different now. Let's go to the last tab. The Style tab. Use this section to color and style your blog post. So let's go ahead and choose a different font. Let's choose Oswald. So you guys want to use this section to color and style your blog post. So go ahead and mess up with the settings, choose whatever you want, and fix up your blog into the way you like. Let's go ahead and fix up the background color too. So let's choose the background color to a light blue. Text, let's choose, let's keep it black because it looks nicer and it's easy on the eyes. Let's change the button color. Let's choose, I'll just keep it red. But you can choose whatever color that you like for your blog post. Once you're done with your customization, click on Save. Let's just quickly make sure it says published in these settings. Yep, perfect. And we are done. That was pretty simple. Let's go ahead and take a look at our blog post. Click on View Page. Wow, this looks amazing. So simple, so fast, and so professional. You can easily create hundreds of blog posts and glue it straight to your Shopify page. Final step, let's add the blog page to your store's navigation. Let's glue the blog post to your store. So to do that, click on Navigation in Shopify Admin Settings, click on Footer menu, and then click on Add menu. Let's choose a name. I'll just write blog. You can put whatever name that you want. And then paste the URL of your blog post. And then click on Add. Perfect. Click on Save menu and we are done. Perfect. Let's take a look at our store. Go all the way down and there you go. It says blog right there. Click on it and perfect. That's our blog linked to our store. So this blog will help you with conversions. The more people read, the more they're sold. And this will also help you rank higher in search engine optimizations. And that's it. That was the easiest tutorial ever. Simple and easy. So give it a try and see how that works out for you. Use the blog post feature to create dozens of blog posts and bring more sales home. And hey, if you have any issues with the tutorial, don't be shy to say hi. Let us know what problem you're going through in the comments or anywhere else, and we'll be glad to help you out in an instant. Don't forget to spread the love by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Have a wonderful day. Take care and good luck.